That's my phone you're trying to steal. You like waking Mummy up in the morning, don't you? Eh? What? You're the one who come in here and wake me up, not the other way about. He's got cheek, hasn't he, Mr. Maroon? Mr. Maroon. So you got cheek? Yeah. Waking us up. Waking us up. Yeah. You cheeky birds. Don't be cheeky because it's my bed. What? You got your own bed. You got your own bed. Yeah. You cheeky birds. You cheeky birds. What's that fly? Hey? You beat my phone up again. Mr. Rooks. Mr. Rookie Rook. Rookie Rook is a cheeky bird. He's a cheeky bird. Hey? Is he a what?